Hello guys and welcome to Laravel 7 tutorials. So guys, in the previous video we successfully fixed our sidebar issue right here, which was related to admin and the user dashboard, and now you can see it's working fine right here. So guys, in this specific video I'm going to move to CMS section once again. Why? Because I have received so many emails from you guys. Let's say if you want to implement a Ckeditor right here, how can you achieve that? First of all guys, if you really wanted to achieve or implement a Ckeditor right here, what you would have done is, let's say, move to the create blog video where we have implemented the Ckeditor in great detail, and that would have helped you. But in any case, for now I'm going to do that for you guys. Why? Because I have received so many emails. So yeah guys, so the issue is, let's move to about page right here, and let's say if you want to have another paragraph just like this, and let's say if you want to have a heading or a bold text, so you are not able to do that with the help of text area field. So yeah, that's why we are going to implement a Ckeditor right here. But guys, I just want to mention one more thing, that is, if you look right here for the contact page, once again we have a description, but in this case we actually we don't need to implement a Ckeditor right here, because we have such a let's say short text right here, and we don't need a long text related to contact us. So yeah, but in case, let's say if you want to implement the Ckeditor right here as well, all you can do is follow the same procedure that we are doing in this specific video, but please make sure that you have a different ID for both the Ckeditor, otherwise it isn't going to work. So yeah guys, let's start and let's move to Sublime, and I'm going to move to resources. Let's move to views and let's say backend, and I'm going to open create blog playwright. Okay, now since we need to work on CMS section, so I'm going to open CMS plate. Okay, right here, and right here you can see our about form is located inside the partials folder. So for that I will move to partials and I will access about form right here. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. First of all guys, we need the styling for the Ckeditor so that we can expand the height of the Ckeditor. So for that I'm going to copy this style, copy, and we are not going to paste it right here, but we are going to paste it inside the CMS blade, so inside the style section, just like that. Let's move to create blog blade. Let's move down and I will stop on the description right here. So let's copy this description div. Okay, let's copy it from right here and let's paste it in the about form, and this is the one that we are using for now. So I will just paste it right here because I need to make some changes, small changes, because I don't need to write. Okay, so yeah guys, so first of all let's fix this name. I'm going to copy this and place it right here. So actually we don't need to copy this. Okay, but in any case, okay, so it should be the label for this text area should be description. Okay, yeah, so let's move forward, and in this case I need to implement the ID, that is ID and the name as about description. So let's copy this, paste it right here, and for the ID as well. Okay guys, so in this case, since we are using Ajax and we don't need the old description, so I'm just going to remove this. This was related to guys the create blog page. Okay, so let's remove that and let's copy everything we have right here, copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, between the text area, this one and or the closing one and the opening one. Okay, so in this case for the about form, since we are using Ajax, so I don't need the if condition, so let's remove that and let's copy the small text, sorry, element, and paste it right here, just like that. Okay guys, so now let's move forward, let's move down. Okay, and I need this script. If we want to implement Ckeditor, we must need a script right here. Okay, because this is the one handling the Ckeditor functionality. So let's move to CMS blade and I'm going to paste it at the top. Why? The reason is guys, we are handling our Ajax form related to about contact right here in the JS file, so we need to implement the Ckeditor at the top. Okay, and I'm going to open another script tag in which I am going to define my Ckeditor based on the ID. Let's say I want to implement a Ckeditor on a specific ID, and the ID is right here. Okay, so let's do a refresh. It isn't going to work. Why? Because we haven't changed the ID. So yeah, right here you can see, and actually I need to remove this one as well. Sorry for that, guys. Let's remove this just like that. Let's do a refresh once again, and right here you can see we have a simple text area. So let's fix this. Okay, so for that what we need to do is define the correct ID, and that is about description. Paste it right here. Let's do a refresh, and right here you can see we have our description Ckeditor implemented right here. So let's test this out. So for now what I'm going to do is, let's open this once again. Let's move down a line, and I'm going to give it a heading testing, and I'm going to make it bold, Control B, and I'm going to put some random text. This is random text. Yeah, okay, doesn't matter. So yeah, success. Let's see it in action. Let's move to about page, and right here you can see the HTML tags. So now we need to fix this. So let's move to front end. So front end, about blade, and right here let's move right here, and let's escape the HTML characters. So right here, yeah, I'm going to define the factorial just like that. Okay, so yeah, let's do a refresh once again, and you can see it works like a charm. So yeah guys, let's test this a bit more. So for that, let's say if I want to upload an image, I won't be able to do that. Why? Let me show you. Inspect, because for some functionality we need to implement some more changes and do a lot of stuff, and I'm not going to do that for now because we don't need an image for the about page right now. At least it's not in the scope. So yeah, open, and right here you can see the error. Okay, so yeah, image isn't going to work, but let's say if you want to make the text italic, you can do that. If you want to have, let's say, bullet points, yes, you can have it. Test, and let's move forward 1 2 3, and let's say you want the numbers right here, let's say the bullets and numbers. So yeah, you can do that. So update, and let's do a refresh once again, and right here you can see the difference. So yeah guys, it's working. Now what I'm going to do is, let's make it presentable. So for that, let's move up right here, and let's put a heading about, something like that. Okay, let's make it heading 1. Okay, let's copy this paragraph, and I'm going to paste it right here. Let's make this one bold, Control B. Let's make this one as quoted text. So yeah, just like that, and let's move down, and let's paste it once again, like a simple one. So yeah, update. Okay, so about section updated successfully. Let's see it in action right here. So yes guys, everything is working fine, and yeah, that's it from this video. So guys, I just noticed one thing on the admin dashboard side, that we need to actually we have hard-coded error right here. So let's fix this as well. So let's close this one. I'm closing all the files because I need to work on the backend section in the layout and the footer. So yeah, see, hard-coded. So we can fix it by doing this. We have already done it for the front end. If you see right here, see, it's fixed. So yeah, so I want now, and whatever the error is, just like that. Let's do a refresh. Sorry, not on the front end side but on the back end. So yeah guys, now it's dynamic. So whenever the error changes, we are going to print that specific error, whatever it is, to 2021, 2022. So it doesn't matter. So yeah guys, that's it from this specific video. I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you, take care, and yes guys, be ready for the next one. Okay, take care.